Are we on YouTube? Is this YouTube? It is what everybody been asking me to create. I finally created a YouTube channel, guys. I got you. You know, if you don't know who I am, my name is Tyler Flanagan. I specialize in skincare videos, hair growth videos, hair care videos. And with this video, it's gonna be about your feet. You know, it's a very important video for the ladies and very, very important video for the men because a lot of men don't take care of their feet. Fellas, you need to start taking care of your feet. You can't just drop your lady off and let her get the pedicure while you sit here with, you know, your feet all messed up. You know what I mean? Your toenail to the side. We can't do that. Look, first impression is everything, fellas. First impression is everything. It's my first YouTube video, so I'm gonna be real. Y'all wanted me to be real. Y'all want these longer videos, so I'm gonna give you the personality for real. Fellas, first impression is everything. You need to make sure you're not just your nails, not just your skin, your hair. You need to make sure your toes are well prepared. So when you do meet that lady of your dreams, or when you do have that first impression, you know, when it comes to executives and business meetings and whatnot, they pay attention to all of that. You know, your face, everything. Your tonality, you need to make sure that's up to par. So, fellas, you're going to get a lot of information on this channel. Ladies, of course, you know, you're going to get a lot of the skincare and the hair care on this channel. I'm going to make sure that I give you guys me, authentically me, but give you guys great recipes that you guys can follow. You know, cool DIY videos. I'm all natural. I own an all natural skincare brand as well called Reliza. The website is relizaskincare.com. I'm gonna have everything in the description, but let's get the party on the road, man. Like I said, this is gonna be a video. I'm gonna make it probably 15 to 20 minutes. So, you know, make sure y'all get some good information. And like I said, I don't know if you know me from the cooking videos and me slamming, you know what I'm saying, this refrigerator right here. I don't know if you knew me from the skincare video here. I don't know where you coming from, but look, welcome to the channel. Do me a favor, like, comment, subscribe, and let's get it popping. Come on. If you don't have time to go get a pedicure, or maybe you're on vacation and your feet been a little dry or crackling, well, here's my all-natural sea salt foot exfoliator. Let's go. First, we're gonna get some coconut oil. We're gonna melt that down until it's warm. Next, we're gonna get some sea salt. Now we're gonna pour that into a bowl. Now we're gonna mix that coconut oil with that sea salt, and also we're gonna add some olive oil. Mix that together. Now we're gonna finish it off with some almond oil and your favorite essential oil. Let's talk about the benefits of this combination. Sea salts are natural purifiers. They remove the toxins that block the pores of the skin and also helps the skin breathe easier, and also promotes better circulation and tightens the skin and improves skin texture. Coconut oil is an incredible base for exfoliators because it will free your skin from dirt, which will make it extremely smooth. We use almond oil because it is highly emollient, which means it helps balance the absorption of moisture and water loss. You're probably asking, why did you use apple cider vinegar? Well, ACV will help restore the natural pH balance of your skin, combining that with powerful microbial properties that will help heal any skin infection or irritation. It's important. Now let's talk about these ingredients individually. I don't know if you guys, you know, I know you guys use salt. I hope you use salt in your food. You know, I don't know if you guys saw my cooking videos or whatnot, but I love to cook as well. But this channel is strictly on health. But we're gonna talk about sea salt and how it can benefit your skin. You know, like I said, I know you're used to using sea salt in your food. I hope so. You know what I'm saying? But sea salt is actually very good on your skin. What it actually does is tightens your skin. So I don't know if you ever dropped salt into water or just use salt, say for example, to put on steak or to put on any meat. What the salt is doing essentially is pulling the moisture out of the meat. So that makes the meat tender. So when you put the salt on there, if you've even washed it, the moisture from the meat absorbs and comes out of the meat. That allows the meat to tenderize. It does the same for your skin, but in the beneficial way. What it's actually doing is tighten your skin up. So it makes your skin have a better texture. Salt helps you have a better texture, helps your skin have a better texture. But not just that, it has a lot of healing properties. I don't know if you've been in the ocean before or just been on vacation and you got in salt water. Salt water is salt in general is a natural healer. So it's gonna heal your scars. You know, if you have any bumps, any acne, any open scars or open wounds or whatnot, salt water is gonna naturally heal those wounds. I don't know if you knew that, but my father always told me, Tyler, once you go out in the ocean, make sure if you got any wounds or say tattoos, for example, get into the water. It's gonna heal your skin. So, you know, sea salt is incredible exfoliator compound because what you're essentially trying to do, you're trying to heal your skin. You're trying to heal your feet. You're trying to take away the scars, take away the bad skin cells, take away the dead skin cells. You know what I mean? So sea salt is one of the major keys in any type of exfoliator. Next, we got coconut oil. This is an organic, like I said, all I do is all natural ingredients, organic ingredients, and coconut oil is very important for your skin. If you ever, after an exfoliation period or after a pedicure, you ever felt that your skin is real smooth, real soft, coconut oil is one of the main ingredients that helps with the smoothness of your skin, how soft it can get. It removes the bacteria over the outer layer of bacteria over your skin. Not just that, but it gets into your skin, and it's a natural moisturizer. So it gets into your skin and takes away just the bad enzymes and just the bad, dead skin cells within your feet or your hands or your face. You know what I mean? Coconut oil is it's very lucrative. Addition to any type of skincare routine or exfoliation routine or whatnot, coconut oil is very important. That's why I had to add it into the ingredient. So next we have almond oil. One of my favorite oils, just because it's not only good for your skin, but it's good for your hair as well. But what it is almond oil. It's loaded with antioxidants. So your skin needs antioxidants, needs the vitamins to maintain the look, maintain the feel, just the glow of your skin. Almond oil is gonna absorb within your skin and give you those vitamins, give you those antioxidants you need. Like I said, I use all natural, 100% pure almond oil. Make sure your almond oil is 100%. Do not get any knockoff. Do not try to skimp on the price because you want the best of the best for your skin, for yourself. I'm real big on self-care Sundays, so I try to make sure that I get the top ingredients for myself. I get the top ingredients I can put on my skin, take care of my skin for the week to come. And almond oil is definitely a major key ingredient inside of your exfoliation routine. So almond oil. What we got next is apple cider vinegar. This is an apple cider vinegar. You can use apple cider vinegar in so many ways. You can use apple cider vinegar to clean your sink with baking soda. You can use apple cider vinegar, they say, to lose weight. I believe in taking apple cider vinegar before I eat any type of heavy meal to not boost insulin, but that's not what this video is about. Apple cider vinegar is also great for the skin. It's going to naturally heal you. It's going to naturally heal you. Apple cider vinegar is it's an acidic form. So when it's applied to skin, what it naturally does is it's going to heal those bumps. It's going to heal the redness of your skin. So if you suffer from skin redness, or if you have any type of sunburn damage or whatnot, apple cider vinegar is real good for the skin to kind of get into the skin and kind of heal those bacteria nodes within your skin. So apple cider vinegar is a great addition. And also it helps the absorption factor. The acidic nature of apple cider vinegar is going to help all the other ingredients come together and absorb inside your skin. So it's very important, apple cider vinegar. And last but not least, I like to use tea tree oil. Tea tree oil is real good for your hair, but it's also a good binder for your skin. It smells amazing. But for you, if you prefer, you can use peppermint oil as well. Peppermint oil will also give you a real good, fresh mint smell for your exfoliation technique or exfoliation ingredients. And like I said, you don't have to use all these ingredients, but I recommend those ingredients for myself just because of the individual properties that they bring for me and my skin. You know what I mean? So, but tea tree oil, it's amazing. It's all premium. Smells amazing to me. But you can also use peppermint oil or lavender oil. But hey, guys, look, we done with the breakdown. You know what I mean? Hope you guys got educated. And let me know in the comments, what type of videos do you want to see? Do you want me to re-upload all the videos I've done on my Instagram and I can actually break down? Do you want me to break down the ingredients from my old videos? You know what I mean? I can do that. I can actually re-upload and pretty much make it a longer video breaking down all the individual ingredients or whatnot and give you guys kind of like a closer look on what's really going on and how to apply it or how to obtain it or how to make it, you know what I mean? So I can do that for y'all. Like I said, it's my first YouTube video, man. I'm excited, man. I appreciate you guys for watching. Like I said, we about to bring some heat to this channel, man. I'm gonna get you guys educated on skin. I'm gonna get you guys educated on hair. So you don't have to go spend your money on products when you can just make it at home. Guess what? Everything God put on this earth, you can actually make yourself. Medicine, ingredients all come from an idea. So how about you just go home, make it yourself, make it organically. Come up with your own ingredients. You can actually mix these up. You know what I mean? If you like certain ingredients, you can add those. Be creative. You know what I mean? So, look, first YouTube video. Let's go. Won't be the last. It's your boy Tyler Flanagan signing out. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'm out.